Hey, it's Lian and mag-unwrap tayo ng parcel galing sa TikTok shop. Chuchu Beauty Perfume Tester. Grabe pasabog ni Chuchu Beauty. Taran! New Year, new parcel. Hey, Chu! Thank you for choosing Chuchu Beauty. Nice ang packaging. Yeah. Taran! Nagad ba siya madagdag? Diba? Love the color. Love everything. Scents. Chuchu catching feelings. Chuchu just my type. Four scents available, but I bought 2 scents only. Try ko ang Chuchu catching feelings. Catching feelings. Pwede na rin. Fresh lang ang amoy. Fresh amoy. Pwede na. Pwede na. Pwede. And that's it for today. See you on my next vlog. Bye!